I lost my page, Mr. Rodriguez came in. Hey, off the computers. Let's go back to your desk.
Are we gonna learn
Yes.
about pencil?
Pencil. Where did my papers go?
Is it bad to eat pencil?
Well,
A pencil can wiggle.
You're eating pencils in the 4th grade. We're gonna have problems. Hey, off. Let's go. I lost my pages. Ah! Oh no, here it is. Here it is. Sorry. Page 122. Lines of symmetry. Page 122. Off the computers. Let's go. Lines of symmetry. Oh, we're doing the bottom part. Yes. Let's go. 122.
Page 22. What is on the back?
Yes. Page 122 in your math binder.
In our math binder?
Yes.
172. 172? Yeah. Oh, I went the wrong way. 122? Found it. Not the page. I found it. I got the very bad. Oh, wait. Wrong one. I was wrong.
122.
What?
122. 122. We're going to be doing symmetry.
I thought you said 172.
So we're going to be talking about lines of symmetry. What is symmetry again before we move on? What? Chloe.
Like if you cut it in half, like a triangle,
Yes.
and it'll still be the same.
So if you cut it in half, it will still be the same. It will mirror. It will look exactly the same.
Where's the class?
Right here. Y'all have page 122. I see some are missing. They're going to come in a few minutes. I don't know what page you're on. All right, let's begin with a basic shape. A triangle. Let's see if this triangle has a line of symmetry. I want you to draw your triangle exactly like my triangle.
Heat off my arm.
It's what type of triangle is this? It's got a what in the corner? This earns you a
Right.
service. What type of triangle, Adrian?
Right? Hey, does it have an L?
A what?
A right, an L. A 90 degree.
122. It's a right triangle. Yeah, good job. It's a right triangle. Come on. Where's your pencil? Okay.
Okay. What's name of rectangle is C?
So let's draw. Does it appear to have a line of symmetry? Maybe you put your hand there. Does it? Does it appear to have a line of symmetry? We can divide it down the middle and it'll have equal sides or the same sides. It appears to, right?
Yeah.
It can, right? Chloe says it can, and I agree. That's our line of symmetry right there.
I'm on 22, but it says olive.
1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. I don't know. He's probably on page 22. 122. Make sure you draw your line of symmetry. Come on. We're drawing shapes. We're not actually writing anything today. Okay, good. Let's draw. Ooh, let's draw a trapezoid. Wait. No, I lied. Where's B? We'll draw a rectangle. Oops.
Looks like a C is a rectangle. Oh, that's B is a trapezoid.
Let's do a rectangle.
That could be anything. Okay, let's see that. Oh, that's cool. I did it the other way.
Okay, you can do it both ways. So you can do it the way I did it, or you can do it the other way, horizontally. It's okay. It's how many lines of symmetry do you see so far in this triangle? We did it earlier, right? 2, right? We got one down the middle, then we got one across. Like that, right?
Yes.
RJ, did you find page 122? 122 should be the right page. Come on, draw your rectangle and your lines of symmetry. If you want to, like AJ's using, I don't know, he's drawing over there, but you can use your lines of symmetry, your highlighter to draw. Look, we're on this one now. You can use your highlighter to draw your lines of symmetry with those. What?
I just found that if we cut them, they can be different things, like umbrella or something.
Could be. Ooh, let's do a trapezoid. What's another name for a trapezoid?
A quadrilateral.
A quadrilateral because it has how many sides?
It belongs in the quadrilateral group.
It's got 4 sides.
A polygon. It's a polygon.
How many lines of symmetry does a trapezoid have?
What page is that again?
122. Come on, y'all need to join in as soon as you can after 10. 122. Hold on, let me. 2.
They're probably
2. Look at your trapezoid. Did you draw your trapezoid? Okay. You're saying 4. Look, stand up. Hold your paper like this. Does it look the same on both sides? Adrian? No. So it doesn't have 4. We know that for sure. Cut it down the middle, straight down the middle. Like this. Does that appear to be the same on both sides? Well, your trapezoid is a little empty, but you look, if you put it right here, look at this side and then look at that side. They appear to be similar, right? Yeah, so it only actually has 1. If you do it like this, it's not the same on both sides, is it? This way? No. This way? It's not the same, is it? No. You can use like a sticky note or something like that, and it's like a mirror. That way? So if you stand up, Michael, like I was telling him, look, you stand up. Let's put this paper here. Okay, stand up. Look at both sides of your trapezoid. Are they the same? No. So what I'm doing with the ones here is I have a piece of paper for y'all at home. This might be helpful. Let me show you. I have a sticky note or a piece of paper. You try to even this out. If you look at both sides of the trapezoid, do they appear to be the same? Sorry, it's not. I can't barely see. Right here. At home, do they appear to be the same? At home, does that appear to be a line of symmetry?
Yes.
Yes, they look the same. You can use a sticky note or something. If I do it this way, do they appear to be the same? No, right? They're different. So it only has 1 line of symmetry, y'all. Yes. It only has 1 line of symmetry. So right down the middle. Ooh, that's bad. Let's do a diamond rhombus. A diamond rhombus. How many lines of symmetry do you think this one has? 4. So you say 4. Y'all don't draw this what I'm doing right now. If I fold it like that, Chloe, is it going to line up exactly the same? Huh? Are you sure? Come look over here. Come over here and look. Huh. Don't draw my line, draw the shape. Come look on both sides. Does it look the same? Where this triangle is over here. Is there a point going to be over here? No, so there isn't 4. What about if we divide it down here? I'm going to read this. If we do it down the middle, right here, is that a line of symmetry? Oops. Hold on. I done messed it up. Is that a line of symmetry? You fold it in half. Probably, right? So it's got that one. What about this way? Yeah, because it's like 2 triangles, right? 2 equilateral triangles make up that one. So it's got 2. It would probably be easier too if we cut these shapes out right here and did that, but maybe we'll do that a different. Y'all can't cut. I don't think y'all can cut. That might be what y'all can do.
gonna do on this side? Which kind are we gonna?
I don't. The next shape?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
one?
E. E's gonna be a, what is it? A hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon. A hexagon for E. A hexagon has how many sides? 6. Good. A right triangle, like Miss Walling said next to it. We're slightly ahead of them.
Oh, no.
All right, a hexagon at home. A hexagon has how many sides?
6. And it has 6 lines.
Hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? 122. Audrina, are you on page 122? Yeah, y'all coming in late or losing places. Huh? A hexagon. You are correct, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines of symmetry. Good job, Jacob. So,
hard for me.
right here, I believe it is. Right here.
Wait, I believe it's like 6, a hexagon, right?
Yeah, it's got 6 sides. Something like that.
Yeah, that's what
Something like that. Mine might be a
I
little.
heard someone say it too.
Mine might be a little off, but it is what it is. I believe it's got 6 lines. What are you doing?
the next one is a square.
The next one is a square.
Can we do it as big as we want? I can do that.
Oh, it's telling us what letters to, or that goes with E, that goes with F. Oh, okay, that's why y'all said that. It's giving us the shapes. Or I guess you could have done the bottom. F is a square. How many lines of symmetry does a square have? At home, tell me. At home, tell me. Somebody at home, tell me. I know y'all know because y'all just told me.
There's a way, that's all.
How many do you think it has? How many lines of symmetry do you think it has?
I did it.
Hint, it's very similar to the number of sides it has.
Where?
How many lines of symmetry does it have? 4. No, 2. How many sides does a square have? How many sides does a square have?
2. It has 4.
Adrian, how many sides does a square have? 4. So it will have 4 lines of symmetry. I don't think that's always the case, but 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's exactly what I did.
4 lines of symmetry.
Miss, it looks 3D on mine.
Where is, what's the next page? 123? Come on, AJ.
Yours is kind of 3D.
We're going to be on 123 next. Once you finish this, are you doing lines of symmetry? Are you drawing it? What are you doing?
Next door.
You can kind of already start on that. It's gonna, you're gonna have to do how many lines of symmetry per. We've already done some of these.
Are they asking for the size on 123?
Yeah, it's like got the shape and then the little line. How many lines of symmetry does a hexagon have? We already did that one. How many lines does a hexagon have? We did it. Jacob, how many lines? Yeah. Then you were at 6 on that little line. A circle, that's that one I told you, it's got an infinite. No, it's got an infinite amount. So I'll show you on a second. We have this down so we can move on to the next page. Okay. Okay, right. I think it was just telling us what shapes to draw there, or maybe you could have cut them out and then folded to see your lines of symmetry, but you don't have to.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes,
can I go to the restroom real quick?
yes, quickly, because we're going to start on the next page.
Okay.
Aren't we supposed to do these?
What?
No, Peter, oh my gosh. Miss, when I went to the mall to go get my mask, I wanted to get a band one, so we went to the
Okay, we'll put it on. But
a band.
a band, like a type of band?
Yeah, like a band. Like a band.
Oh, bands.
Yeah.
Bands, not bands.
And what are those?
Bands, like the bands, like his shoes. He has on. The type of shoes, you know what I'm talking about?
Like that,
I thought you meant band too. Okay, 123. AJ, 123. 123. 123. 123. 123. I'm gonna keep repeating so everybody's on 123. 123 at home. 1, 2, 3.
I'm on it already.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Somebody's still gonna ask. 1, 2, 3. Y'all can see my screen at home, right? Azu? Audrina?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Yes.
Y'all can't see it. It's a hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
Number 1. What shape is number 1? Somebody tell me what shape number 1 is.
Oh, never mind. Sorry.
Hexagon, which means it has how many sides or lines of symmetry?
6.
So I think it's 1. Y'all have to tell that lines of symmetry. 2, 3, 4. There's like another one, like 5, I think, and then like 6. So it's got 6 lines of symmetry. A circle. Who thinks they know the answer to a circle? How many lines of symmetry is a circle?
0.
Not 0. Can it be divided?
Yes.
Infinite.
It could be how many times?
Infinite amount. Exactly, an infinite amount.
How many times?
It's got more than 2. It's got an infinite amount. It can be divided a million different
What
ways.
side was 8? Side 8.
It's infinite. It's going to be a word. Infinite. Infinite number. That means it has a more than like a trillion amount.
8 side. I just drew the infinite side.
Infinite.
It's just an 8 sideways.
Oh yeah, or you can do the 8 sideways. I didn't even think of that. Or you can do the 8 sideways. An infinite amount.
It's like the space. It's infinite.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh my god.
An infinite. That's probably better. An
Space.
infinite amount. At home. At home. Let them answer. This is a. What type of triangle is this? Anyways. Number 3. What type of triangle is it? At home.
They're right.
A right triangle. Good job, Zildjian. How many lines of symmetry does it have?
One.
1. We did it earlier.
One between.
Right down the middle. 1 line of symmetry. 1 line of symmetry. 1 line of symmetry. Wake up. Come on. Class, we have, what shape is that we have on number 4? What shape?
Number 4.
Hexagon.
Not a hexagon. This building's in Washington. Nope, this building is in Washington. It's got a name.
The Washington? No.
Nope. What shape is that on number 5?
Pentagon.
Number 4? How many sides does it have? Count.
5.
5. What shape? What is the name for a shape with 5 sides? A pentagon.
We put the hard stuff in our desk. In our desk. We put this in our desk.
AJ, yes. So how many lines of symmetry is the pentagon going to have? 5. Mine looks like a mess, yes, but it's going to have 5. It's got 5 sides. It's got 5 sides. It's got 5 sides. And 6 name of the shape on number 5?
Triangle.
A triangle. It appears to be an equilateral triangle, which means all these sides are the what? Same. So how many lines of symmetry is this triangle going to have?
3.
3. Good. Look at y'all. My little symmetry wizards. And the holiday spirit. Little symmetry wizards. How many sides does this have?
No, Miss, we're in the big room.
6. And it's called a hexagon.
Oh, the next one? Count them again.
8. And it's a hexagon.
What is the name for a figure with 8 sides? What is the name of a figure with 8?
Octagon.
An octagon. So how many lines of symmetry is an octagon going to have? What? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't make them, but there's 8 lines of symmetry there. Oh, I'm getting it next door. Okay, I want you to try number 7. We've done number 7 already before on the other side. It's a trapezoid. How many lines of symmetry? Answer it on your paper. Answer it on your paper. How many lines of symmetry does a trapezoid have? We did it on the back side. If you're lost, flip back.
Wait, how much lines does a trapezoid have in symmetry, right?
It does have 8. How many does a trapezoid have? Show me your 2 ways that you can divide over here. That you, or yeah, I guess that you can divide that. So that's 1, okay. What's another way you can divide that? So you're telling me that line, they look the same? No. Okay.
Miss, I know.
How many?
1.
1. It can only be divided 1 way.
Yeah, it only can do 1 way.
I guess I could have done it this way. Hold on. Right here. It looks the same. Hold on. It looks the exact same on both sides. I know it's kind of hard to tell. But some of y'all are trying to do it this way. Does it look the same on both sides?
No.
No, it's only got 1. Eraser? Oops, it's only got 1. 1 line of symmetry. A rhombus. We did a rhombus earlier. Does that look the same on both sides? Stand up and look at it. A rhombus. Who thinks they know how many lines of symmetry a rhombus has?
4.
I got 4. Yeah. So it means that how many, not how many little parts you cut it into, but how many lines. Okay. This, we got it this way, and then we got it this way. So how many lines of symmetry does it have?
Oh, 2.
2. Two lines of symmetry. Oh, I hope I'm recording. Yep, we're recording.
You weren't recording?
No, we are recording.
Oh, no.
Number 4 is what type of shape? Not a diamond.
I think it's our voice.
What?
Parallelogram?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
So let's see how many lines of symmetry we have. Can it be divided this way? Yes, right?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah? What about this way? Oops, that's real bad.
Yes, it can.
Sorry, that looked real bad.
It looks a little uneven, but yes, it could.
Actually, it's kind of a
Yes.
rhombus. It's actually rhombus. The whole thing can be.
So, what about this way? Will it be equal if I do it this way?
No.
No, right?
No.
Not happening.
Trying to see. I don't think so. Yeah, 2.
It's
What it
2.
says.
They're all 2.
There, 2.
They're
Let
all
me make sure. Let me make sure. I don't want to tell you wrong.
I thought it was
Wrong
wrong.
earlier. What number is that?
I want to say how
number 6 is 1.
You did number 6.
If they got 12,
Oh, a rectangle. How many lines of symmetry does a rectangle have?
4.
No. How are you dividing it 4 ways?
2.
Put it up.
2.
2, right? So down hot dog style and then hamburger style, correct? 2. 2. Somebody from home, tell me how many lines of symmetry a square has. Y'all should be dividing these.
1.
4.
Good job. Wait, yeah, good job. So we can divide it this way. You cut it diagonally. So 1, 2,
And then you can also like
4, right? Yeah, good job. 4.
little and then like cross.
Ooh, let's see who knows the last one. How many lines of symmetry does the last shape have?
It has
How do you divide that?
Can you go down? Because I can't really see all of the shape.
You have your paper?
Oh. Oh my god.
How can you divide that equal? Can you?
Remember how you could do this?
What?
I'm not. I think you could
So if I fold it in
put
half?
it. Yeah. If you well, not in half, but I think it has 1.
This side, it's kind of missing part of it. No. What was that, Mariah?
I think it has 1.
We all say it has 1. Let's see.
Like you put it right in the middle. Well, not right in the middle, but like slanted.
Equal. Let me move my paper up.
Like slanted or something like. Are we gonna do 11 and 12?
We just did 12.
And no.
Yes, I'll do 12, 11 again. Hold on. It's got how many lines of symmetry, RJ? We can cut it. Hey, down the middle, that way. We can cut it this way. We can cut it this way, and we can cut it this way. So how many lines of symmetry does a square have?
That's 4.
Okay, never mind. I already got it.
Oh, beans and cheese. Mariah, so which way do you think we can cut it?
Like right, like not in the middle, but you know where the point's at or whatever.
Yes.
Like get it from there and then go all the way straight
Like
down.
a diagonal?
Yeah. And then it would look the same.
The same. This
Yeah.
this side is smaller than that side, isn't it?
I said 1.
Doesn't this
Oh, it is gonna be smaller.
is a right triangle over here? Is this side a right triangle right there? No, it does not.
Oh, that side's smaller because the slant.
Smaller. So there. What about if I divide it this way? Is it a line of symmetry? Jacob,
No.
is it a line of symmetry?
That is not a line of symmetry.
What about this way? Is that a line of symmetry?
No.
No. So does this shape have any lines of symmetry?
No.
0.
0. Like a trick question because it was missing. It's like part of a square. It's missing.
It's like a square, but a part of it's missing.
Yeah. If it were a complete square, it would be able to have a line of symmetry, but it's not. Let's go to the back side. Maybe we'll finish that.
Let's look what time it is. 80 million years. What the?
124. We're doing lines of symmetry again.
It's too much.
Jacob,
What was 12?
I lost my face. All the time. Thirteen appears to be I don't know what it is. trying to organize my pages. Lines of symmetry. How many do you think that first one has? It's got a few.
4. 2.
I think 4, Adrian.
I think it's 4 or 2.
Let me see. I think it's 4 because we can divide it this way, right? And it's equal. You are drawing the lines of symmetry. Come on. Then down the middle.
Looks like a ninja star.
And then we can slice that bad boy this way.
Knew it.
And then this way, right?
Yeah.
So then it has 4. Put 4 next to it, I guess. 4.
I'll make the new pool.
I got 4 of them. It's like a slide. How many do y'all think the next one has?
8. I feel like 8. I don't know why.
No.
Infinite?
No. Let's see. Right here. 1. Can we divide it the other way?
Yes.
Yes. Adrian, can you divide that shape that way?
No.
No. So how many lines of symmetry does it have?
2.
2. Good job, Michael. Starts now. How many do you, 15, how many lines of symmetry do you think 15 has?
Maybe 1.
3. Not how many corners, how many lines, how many ways can you divide it equally?
1.
Jacob, you cut that in half, it doesn't look the same? It looks to me, those triangles look the same, don't they?
Yeah, cool. You can 2, maybe 2.
How many lines do you have on there?
Where?
Right down the middle, right?
Yeah, but that.
Then what about this way?
I put that. That's what I did.
Are you sure they're the exact same triangles? So yes, right, Michael?
I'm not too sure about the other one.
So we have how many lines of symmetry?
2.
2. We drew 2 lines, Chloe. Oh, the next one y'all should be able to do. Okay. Are you dividing it, Jacob, any which way? Or you
Oh,
putting
this
lines on
looks
it?
easy.
See how many lines of symmetry it has? It has to look the
I
same
had
on both sides.
0. No, it doesn't really look the same.
Don't yell it. Yes.
It's easy, man.
Yep.
Yes, there is.
Come on. How many lines does the next one have?
Easy hard. It's not hard. It's so
Did you divide that like at an angle, hot dog style, hamburger style, or anything? You gotta do it all ways, so not just straight lines this way. They can be diagonals too.
one.
At home, number 16. Who thinks they know the answer to how many lines of symmetry 16 has? At home, who thinks they know? I can see y'all. No, when you're listening, you're not listening. At home, how many lines of symmetry you think that has? What?
I don't know, like 6.
6. So you can divide that shape 6 different ways, and it's going to be the same.
Only one way you can do it. Well, there might be other ways.
No.
There's only one.
3 minutes.
You know why, though.
I'm
Only
hungry.
one cemetery.
That's a record for you. So, somebody said 6. Okay. Is that a line of symmetry? Oh, that's bad. But yes, that's a line of symmetry, right?
Yes. Each one.
Is that a line of symmetry if I divide it the other way?
No.
No.
It's only one. No.
If I divide it this way, is that a line of symmetry?
No.
No. What about if I divide it the other way? Is that a line of symmetry? At home, is that a line of symmetry?
No.
No. So how many lines of symmetry does this one have?
I don't think it actually has any.
Mariah, look at the line.
Oh wait, it has one.
It has one.
No, it looks like it just has one.
It
Yeah,
has one.
it's right in the middle.
The next one. How many lines of symmetry does the next one have? More than one?
I think this one.
Oh, that's one. One.
I think it's the middle again.
The middle again, I agree. Some of y'all
Yeah, I think it.
might think going down vertically, it would be a line of symmetry, but it is not. Look at the different, I guess, angles.
The one on the side is smaller than the actual other one, so it has to be in the middle.
I got one.
Skip 17.
Oh, did I? Sorry, I skipped 17. It's because I can't see it. My bad. Let me go back down.
I already did 17. I'm not sure if I'm right though. I already finished the whole thing.
17.
Wait, is it time for us to go to PD?
No, 17.
We go like 10:40 minutes. 10:45.
17. Who thinks they know how many lines of symmetry 17 has? At home, Jacob.
It has one.
One.
And I think that one's like, it's like
It has one.
right in the middle, but it's, yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
I got two.
How'd you get two?
I got one. I got one.
How'd you get two? Oh, we're on the head. Let's get 17. Some of y'all I see are using your pencil. Put your arm in your shirt or your ruler. What are we on? 19.
We're 19.
At home, how many lines of symmetry do you think 19 has?
2. I think
One.
I think,
I think it has one, and that's like 17, like right there.
yeah, I think it's one.
Yeah, I think it's like 17 where it's like straight, like in the middle, like down.
That's 2, right? So you're telling me if I fold it in half where my pen is, that side looks like that side.
Yeah, you have to like fold it in half. And
Hey, 19. How many lines of symmetry does it have? Yes, I'm walking around to see if you got it right.
I got part of it right.
Miss Hernandez.
Okay, there we go. I got one.
How many?
One.
So my pen there, stand up. The top looks like the bottom.
Cut it in half.
Use your pencil. Some of you are using your pencil, yes. If you split it right down the middle, vertically like that, it's got one line of symmetry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I know number 20.
20. How many lines of symmetry does it have?
It's like, I know, it's like, right in the middle. Well, it's not like 19, but like the other way.
This way? Look at my arm. Like this?
Yeah.
Let's see. Mariah says it's horizontal. I agree, right? So it's got one. I did 19. It's got one.
I know 21.
Y'all are thinking like this. You look above, it does not look like the bottom, does it?
Does it?
Miss, could you move up? Because I can't see.
Move up to where?
Miss Hernandez, I know 21.
There's not. We already did that one earlier.
Oh,
One is on.
21 is like, 19.
This one was this way, wasn't it?
Did I go use the restroom?
Quickly.
Is it already finished 21 and 22?
Yes. Make sure I can see. What about? Oh, did I just do 21? I just did 21.
Yeah, 21 is like 19.
It's like 19, so it's vertically. Y'all want out? Y'all better tell me how many 22 has.
It has
Looks like it has two.
2
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
and over.
it kind of looks like it has two, like one like 21 and one like 20, like down in the middle and then like straight down.
One? You can put in one?
Come on.
I think it has 2.
At home thinks it has 2. That's who y'all. I've seen somebody on here think it has 2 too.
2.
I cut it this way. Right, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you do it like 21.
And down the middle this way. Oh, that looks bad. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's got how many lines of symmetry?
2.
2. Okay. At home, you have PE until 11:35, and then lunch. What time are you coming back after lunch?
12:20.
12:25. I mean 25.
25. 12:25. Got it?
Yes. Bye.
12:25. Bye. What? Bye, Felicia's.